The moment we first met, I went underneath the house to grab some horse stuff and found this freezing cold screaming furball. I'd love to say it was love at first sight, but I was not a cat person back then.
It started with a sound coming from beneath the house. She had only gone down there to grab a few things for the horses, expecting nothing unusual. Instead, tucked beside old storage boxes and dust-covered tools, she discovered a tiny kitten shivering against the freezing ground. The little creature was weak, crying softly, and barely hanging on. At that moment, she had no idea her life was about to change completely. Back then, she never considered herself a cat lover. In fact, she always believed cats were independent animals that did not really need people. So when she scooped up the kitten in her hands, her thoughts were practical rather than emotional. The plan seemed easy enough. She would keep the kitten warm, feed her until she was strong enough, and eventually find someone else to adopt her. Simple, temporary, nothing more. The kitten was unbelievably small. She fit into one hand without any effort at all. Every feeding felt delicate, almost frightening, because the kitten seemed so fragile. During those first few nights, she barely slept. She constantly checked to make sure the kitten was still breathing. Some nights, she only managed a couple hours of rest before waking up again to feed her. It was exhausting, messy, and overwhelming, yet somehow she never complained about any of it. At first, she refused to give the kitten a real name. She thought naming her would make things harder later, so she kept calling her the kitten. But little habits slowly changed everything. The kitten became Kitty, and eventually just Kit. Without realizing it, she had already formed an attachment too deep to ignore. The moment the kitten had a name, the goodbye she once planned no longer felt possible. Weeks passed, and the tiny rescue slowly grew stronger. Kit began exploring the house with unsteady little steps, stumbling into walls and chasing things that did not move. Every tiny achievement felt huge to her. She celebrated the smallest moments. Kit learning to climb onto a blanket, discovering her reflection, or trying to bite her own paws. Her phone filled with endless pictures and videos because every moment suddenly felt worth saving forever. Of course, not everything was adorable. There were accidents constantly. Blankets needed washing almost every day. Bath time usually turned into chaos, with water splashing everywhere while Kit looked personally offended by the entire experience. Still, even during the hardest moments, she never regretted bringing the kitten upstairs that day. As Kit grew older, her personality became impossible to ignore. She followed her everywhere around the house like a tiny shadow, cooking dinner, working at the computer, folding laundry. None of it happened alone anymore. If a door closed, Kit waited outside it. If she sat down, Kit climbed into her lap within seconds. The house slowly stopped feeling quiet because Kit filled every corner of it with life. Then came the rebellious stage. Kit developed attitude and confidence almost overnight. She demanded attention exactly when she wanted it and acted deeply offended whenever playtime ended too early. Sometimes she would stare with dramatic judgment from across the room as if she owned the entire house. Honestly, it made everyone laugh more than anything else. One day, she caught herself staring at Kit in disbelief. The trembling kitten she once held in one hand had become healthy, playful, and completely woven into her daily life. Somewhere along the way, caring for Kit stopped feeling temporary. It simply became part of who she was. Through all of it, Kit gave her something unexpected: comfort, routine, joy during difficult days. There were moments when life felt heavy and exhausting, but somehow Kit always found a way to make her laugh again. Looking back, she realized she never truly rescued the kitten alone. In many ways, the kitten rescued her too. If this story touched your heart, let it remind you that sometimes the smallest animals leave the biggest impact. Rescuing a pet is not always easy, but patience, preparation, and love can completely change both lives involved. And if you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe so more heartfelt animal stories can continue reaching people around the world. At Pawfect Stories, we focus on real emotional moments inspired by trusted sources and brought to life through thoughtful storytelling, music, and visuals. Thank you for spending time with us, and we hope to see you again in the next story.
Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos.
See you in the next one.